What a wonderful.
Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the health benefits of insulin plant. This one is my insulin plant. This is my insulin plant. The scientific name of this insulin plant is called Costus igneus. If you want to know about this, the health benefits of this, you do the research using this Costus igneus. Then the nutrient contents of these insulin plants are protein, iron, and an antioxidant component such as ascorbic acid. It is good to control the growth of the cancer cells. And it has also the tocopherol. Then it has a beta-carotene. Then it has a terpenoids and steroids and flavonoids. The extract of this insulin plant would prevent the formation of the calcium kidney stone. So this is good to protect our kidney, the insulin plant. And then how are we going to use this one? So ako kinakain ko lang ito like this one. I ate this every day, 2 leaves. And then this one, I washed this one and then ate this one directly. So I have this one here. I washed it already. And then kinakain ko na lang diretso. Then the taste of this is sour. Maasim ang taste niya. Some also are using this one. They boiled this one here. They cut this one into pieces, small pieces, and then boil this and then drink the tea. Okay, some also dried these leaves. They dry these leaves and then they make also use as tea. Those are the 3 ways on how to use this insulin plant. Okay, now what are the health benefits of this insulin plant? One is it cures diabetics. That is why I keep on eating this one because this will control my sugar also. So I want to have my sugar in a normal range because if our sugar is rising, our other organ is affected. Next to that, it has natural probiotics to smooth digestion, meaning this plant will aid in the digestion process. And then it is also good for excretion. After eating this one, you will be perspiring and then you will keep on urinating. This will control the water retention inside our body. Another one is it is also an antibacterial. It also cures the liver illness. So this is good for the liver. So if you keep on eating on this, we will be prevented from liver illness. And then next to that is it is good for kidney and the bladder. So this will protect our kidney and bladder also. Then next is it will reduce the blood pressure. If we are diabetics, we will be also be having high blood pressure because the diabetics is one of the causes of having high blood pressure. And then it will also cure sore throat or the sore throat therapy. And then it is also, yes, it is a cancer prevention because of the presence also of ascorbic acid. Okay, next is it will boost immune system. Next, it reduces the bad cholesterol. Now, the good cholesterol is good for us because it will help us live longer. But the bad cholesterol is bad for us because this may cause also heart attack or high blood pressure. Okay, so this plant will reduce the bad cholesterol, not the good cholesterol. Okay, so that is all, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And then please like, share, and subscribe. And then always remember that health is wealth.
What a wonderful.